Hi guys! Welcome to my crib! So, ito, house tour ko kayo ngayon today dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo itong aking mini condo with my husband and my sister Bakeka. Okay, and sisimulan natin ngayon yan dito sa aking kitchen. So, as you can see, ito yung ref namin. 2-door lang siya. So, ayan ang cooler namin. Wala yung freezer namin, walang laman. Merong dugo, pang dinuguan, diba? Pak! Ganon. And then, ayan yung cooler namin. Ayan ang mga beer, mga alak, and then mga juice. Ayan. More alak, guys. Okay? More alcohol, more love. And then, ayan yung mga Coke. Mahilig kami sa Coke. May mga Yakult dyan and everything, whatever. And then, ito yung aming range. Electric siya. Meron ng adobo dito. Ulam namin yung kagabi, hindi na namin yung kainin. Don't worry. Ito yung electric air fryer namin, coffee maker, and then ayan yung mga small appliance namin, nasa taas lahat yan. And then ito yung pang-pantry namin. Ano naman ito, boy? These are all yung mga dry, di ba? Tapos, ito yung mga delata namin, canned goods, flour, and everything, ramen noodles. Oh my God, you have to try this, guys. This one is so good. Honey almond butter. And then, dito naman yung mga aming mga kubiertos. Chopstick, spoon, fork, knife. Dito yung mga pang baking. Ayan. And then this is our oven. Ayan siya. Convection siya. And then ito yung pantry namin for mga pasta, pang breakfast and everything. Ayan, mga cheese, dried cheese, mga dry. And then ito yung parang ano namin, Asian section ng pantry namin. Dito makikita yung mga soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, ketchup mayonnaise, ketchup, vinegar, sambal, sriracha, everything, noodles, they're all there. Ito yung trash can namin. So ito pa yung lalagyan namin ng mga coffee, medicine. Andito ba yung medicine? Medicine and more wine and vodka. We have Remy Martin, red wine. Ayan. Ayan yung toaster namin. Ayan. So ito yung sink, countertop sink. This is our dishwasher, automatic dishwasher that we never use. So the dishwasher in all Asian households are just used as mga parang mga cabinet, like a plate cabinet. And then this is where we put our rice and potatoes and everything. And then ito parang mga miscellaneous. And then our pots and pans nandito. Ayan. Tapos ito na yung master's bedroom. Charing. Ito yung aming washer and dryer. This is our washing machine and then dryer. And then we put here our detergent, yung mga Downy. And then, wala pala tayong Downy. And then, mga mop and vacuum. Wala pa tayong Downy? Mabili nga ng Downy bukas. Okay, so ito na. Dito na tayo sa aming living room. So, as you can see, pwede kayong kumain dito. You can eat here. Kaka-grocery lang namin. So, ito yung pinili kong mga stool na super taas, kaya hindi namin magamit. Dapat mas mababa dito para makakain ka ng maayos dito. Ito yung dining table namin kasi bihira naman kami kumain dito ng sabay-sabay. So, hindi namin we really don't need like a big dining table. And then, ito na yung parang pinaka-entertainment area namin. Andito yung TV namin. 100-inch TV. And then, ito yung 100-inch. And then, ito yung mga family pictures namin. Ayan. Ito yung wedding day namin. Ayan. Ito yung ka-roommate ko, my sister, Bakeka. Ayan, mga family pictures. And then, we also have a turntable here. And then, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung labas. Meron kaming parang mini patio na kung saan ako nag-yosi. Kasi I smoke with after eating. So, dito ako nag-yosi. As you can see, puno-puno na ang aking ashtray. May usok po. And then, ayan, medyo madilim na kasi gabi na dito. It's almost 8:45 p.m. Ayan. 8:45 na, maliwanag pa rin, no? Pilipinas, sobrang dilim na yung ganyang oras. And then, merong mini, dito, mini light. Then we go inside. I'm gonna show you the guest bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. And at the same time, bathroom din ba kayo? So maayos naman siya, malinis siya. May sariling bathtub to and shower. And then may door dito papunta dun sa kanyang room. This is her room. I'm just gonna show you because I can't make kalkal because this is not my room. Yeah. This is her room. And then we're gonna go to my own room with my husband, me and my husband's room. So ito naman yung before we go to my room, I'm gonna show you my Mariah altar. Because I love Mariah and I have almost all her albums. I think I'm just missing 2 albums. I have had it before, I just don't know where it is. She has, I think, 15 studio albums and I have it all. This is her very first album, it's called Mariah. And this is her book. And this is her 30 years compendium, a visual compendium of 30 years of Mariah. So she just celebrated her 30-year anniversary. And then you can see here all the outfits that she wore in those 30 years that became trending. Look at this, 2009 was the Obsessed, when she dressed up as Eminem. And then, of course, All I Want for Christmas Is You 2019, when it became number 1. When All I Want for Christmas Is You became her 19th number 1 single. The most for a solo artist. 19 number 1 single. And then this is my shot when I went to Caesar's Palace in July 11, 2017 to watch her residency in Caesar's Palace, Mariah number 1 to Infinity. I've been there twice. I mean, I've watched her twice. I've seen her during her Butterfly Returns residency, but I can't find my book. I don't know why. This is actually $50 for this. And then, ito yung wedding namin. And this is her vinyls. I have Daydream, Merry Christmas, and Caution. Ayan yung mga vinyl niya. This is her latest album, Caution, which is a very good album. Okay. And then, ito yung lola ko, si nanay, si tatay. And then, ito yung mga Game of Thrones collection ko. Actually, I didn't collect them. My brother Yuli gave it to me as a gift. All of them. Daenerys, Jon Snow, ayan, the Night King. Ayan yung mga Game of Thrones, ano. And this is my guitar because I'm also an acoustic singer. And then this is the, last but not the least, this is the master's bed. Come on. Ayan. You like it? So we'll turn on the light. So this is the shoes section. So you can see, andito yung mga ano ko, Yeezy Boost ko. I tried to collect Yeezy Boost, kaya lang parang nawala lang ng gana, I don't know. And then nandito yung mga iba kong mga Air Max. Ayan mga Air Max. Ito yung ano ko, yung shoes ko na Reebok na, I don't know, Puma or Reebok, that's Toy Story Edition. Ayan, ito yung mga kay Ikoy naman yung iba dito, Stan Smith. Ito yung mga Yeezy Boost. And we have some Gucci shoes here. Over here to Spenderil and then Givenchy. And then, we're going here. Ito yung mini office ni Ikoy kasi work from home siya. Kaya lang, nung kinuha namin tong apartment, hindi namin alam na magiging work from home pala siya. Kaya wala siya sariling office. Pero for the meantime, ganyan. Pero maybe next year may bago na kami, makabili na kami ng bahay. So this is the walk-in closet. Dati kasi mahilig ako sa mga bag. So andyan, may mga bag ako dito. Ayan, Goyard St. Louis. This is my Prada bag that I really love. Prada Sampiano. I bought this bag because I always watch Scandal. And Olivia Pope always uses Harry Washington. And then ito yung sa husband side ko. And then this is my side. Ayan, mga Dior. Ayan, mga outfit. And then ito yung mga shawl. Marami pa akong shawl, hindi ko lang alam kung nasan. And then ito yung mga belt. Gucci, LV, Hermes, Vince Camuto, and then ito yung mga Louis Vuitton na mga chuchu-chuchu, mga mini bags. And then ito yung mga traveling bags. Keep all, and then this one is a bandolier. Keep all bando. 45 ata to, and then 50. And then yung mga watch. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung mga watches. And then we have some Hermes, perfumes, Chanel. Kapag hindi ginagamit nandyan, kapag ginagamit nandito, ayan o, Givenchy, Gucci, Hermes, another Hermes, and then English laundry. Kapag wala kayo masyadong budget and then you wanna smell good, you need to buy English laundry. Kung pang araw-araw lang you just need to use English laundry. And then, wala na, mahalaga dyan. And then, yan yung mga MCM ko na backpack, which is one of my favorites. And then, my husband gave this to me. I think that's it for the walk-in closet. Then, we go to the bathroom. And then, meron pa pala akong mga bag dito. So, these are my most precious bags. Kaya sila nasa labas kasi ipapakita mo talaga yan na yung kumbaga parang hindi mo siya dapat itago. Maganda na makita siya ng mga tao. This one is a crocodile Hermes that I got from Passion Pile. Another Hermes 40. And then Roberto Cavalli, Hermes Kelly 35, MCM Liz, and then another MCM Messenger bag. And of course the On The Go with the look. And this one is my favorite. Yeah. They can't go anywhere. They stay here. And then I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Charan! Ito yung bathroom namin. Ayan. Skincare nandito. Dito yung bathtub, tsaka shower. Tapos nandito yung parang mini cabinet namin ng mga ano namin. Ginagamit namin sa bathroom. And then, yun lang. Ito lang yung namin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa house tour namin because comment down below kung ano yung mga susunod na gusto nyo makita. And the next vlog namin is car tour. Papakita namin sa inyo ang kotse namin, me and my husband. See you guys next time. Bye-bye!